Hello, welcome to Sports Shorts and Passports. Today we're touring my first Bangkok condo, the Knightsbridge Collage Sukhumvit 107. This building is a luxury condo that features a car garage with automatic parking, an infinity pool that overlooks all of Bangkok, that's my boy Jonas. It also features a 5-minute walk to the nearest Green Line BTS stop, which is Bering. It also has a reading garden on the top floor with beautiful views and internet access, sky garden areas, and a very nice gym with a sauna with steam room and showers. The Sky Garden actually features 360 views of the city. Let's go on this tour now. So, this was the restroom, or as they say in Thailand, the toilet. It was a very nice area as well. That's my kitchen there with a washing machine. That was my bedroom. My curtains actually came with a remote and were automatic, which was really cool. This is a smaller 1-bedroom apartment. It wasn't huge, but I had a cool view of the city. Most of the days I would just press the button on my curtains and watch them peel back as the day unfolded itself to me. It came with furniture, TV, couch, and lots of shelf space. As I previously mentioned, the front had a car garage where your car would automatically get taken upstairs. This is the gym area. It had some decent weights, a few machines as well, and a beautiful view of the city. I actually frequented the gym a lot, treadmills as well. And this is the co-working space. There's a little reading garden out here, which is cool. This place is gorgeous. Hilariously, I think that's the soup line there. A friend of mine lives.
7-Eleven here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Nah, this place is actually very stunning. And this is Knightsbridge. Yeah, this is cool. It's like basically a 360 view of the city, essentially. That's great. Yep.
I just jumped in and it's freezing, but the homie's about to go in now.
Fuck!
Go, G. Just jump. Don't think. Jump.
Ah! No!
Go, bro!
Holy shit! Oh, fuck! Fuck!
Jump your ass in, bro.
So, we're at the fucking sunset. This motherfucker's talking about jump my ass in. This water ain't warm. I'll tell y'all that.
Pussy. Bitch ass.
Shut your bitch ass up. I'd rather fight a motherfucker than jump into this cold ass water. I was about to go.
My homie from one of the hardest cities in the world, like Chicago, and this motherfucker can't even jump in a cold pool. He's a bitch. Come on. What a bitch. Nah, this is funny. This is go, G, go. Go! Don't think about it, bro. Just go in and then jump straight back out.
Nah.
For the views.
Let me get a picture though. You can leave out a video mode. This actually ain't cold over here.
Nah, it's not that bad.
Over there. that water, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. All the motherfucking Bangkok behind me and shit. Fuck some stairs up. It's like impossible to get out of the swimming pool. It's my last time in this little condo and shit. Kitty the Jets on and shit. I turned them on. About to fucking, it's the last dip in the pool, man. Say goodbye to Bangkok, say goodbye to all the trains and shit. Knightsbridge Condo is pretty decent. It's only my second time getting in this pool. Fuck you guys.
He's leaving, I'm not.
Wow. Alright. Fuck it! Jesus Christ. It's not warm. But it's not like freezing tits. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, I'll chill. Fuck y'all talking about.
Vitamin D, motherfucker.
Give me that sun. Vitamin D, no motherfucking homo. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, no. It's vitamin D.
It's like just being not, just here chilling, being
The
not gay.
vitamin D, not actual D.
Being not gay, you know?
Yeah,
just chilling here. Not doing gay things.
Pause. Pause. Pause.
Yeah, bro, it's been dope, just being here. The view here was astounding, even on rainy days, which there were a lot of. Here, we're going up towards the meeting room, which is on top of the reading garden area. This area was used for hosting meetings and things of that nature, small parties if you want. It was a really cool area. I actually never really got to spend much time there. I only was leasing this place for about 3 to 4 months while I was traveling back and forth from Bangkok to India shooting a Netflix film. The cool thing about this area though is that it had a cool sky garden area that we're gonna go check out right now that had pretty much almost a 360 view of all of Bangkok. Ahead of us is every direction of Bangkok that you could possibly imagine. Sometimes I would come up here just to clear my head. You're so funny. You're gonna be in a Bollywood film if you keep with that cute accent you got. So this is the Knightsbridge Collage Sky Garden. This will be my view of the city. Jesus Christ, this is such a beautiful view. Wow. This is a beautiful view. Like, I might get in the swimming pool. This hair though, it's not gonna be happy, but I will. Yeah, I'm gonna go swimming.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Hello.
Hello.
Sawadee ka.
สวัสดีค่ะ
This is the steam room. The shower. Yeah, and the restroom. It's the female one. This motherfucker over here. You can't even see shit in this bitch. I'm black as hell. You can't even see.
Yeah, you gotta do it real quick.
You can see this though. This motherfucker. Yeah, I'm in this bitch. I'm in the water. Fuck you talking about. Fuck you talking about. I'm in this bitch. Bitch, I'm in this. Water. You know what I'm talking about? Cold. All that shit. Sunset. All that shit. Thailand. All that shit. Bangkok. You know what I'm talking about?
Right, we have 7-Eleven. Right there is 7-Eleven, you can see.
Yep.
And also a night market down beside it.
That blue,
You
the
see
little blue.
You see where the orange is? Right in
Yep.
front of the orange is 7-Eleven.
Okay. No, there's one at the.
They're
There's one over here too, right? At the.
they're actually 1, 2, 3.
Okay, cool.
Right over even over the condo.
The other side of this.
Yes.
Okay.
That's one in front as well.
I don't know how you got a lot of trust in people to stand with your back towards. So, in conclusion, I really enjoyed my time at this condo in the Bang Na section of Bangkok. As you can see, there's a beautiful view of 360 degrees of Bangkok. Knightsbridge Collage was a cool time. I actually was a little sad having to move out, but nonetheless, it was the first condo that I ever lived in and purchased / leased in Bangkok, and it was a good time. It was a cool time. This is actually a view from my balcony there. And there were some rainy days, there were some sunny days, but ultimately I enjoyed living here, and I would do it again if I was so inclined. There were a lot of night markets in the neighborhood. There were a lot of things to do and just a beautiful view. Thank you for watching another episode of Sports Shorts and Passports. And please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.